Colorado Governor Jared Polis has issued an executive order shutting down all the ski areas in the state for the next week. It's an effort to limit the spread of coronavirus. It comes during spring break, one of their busiest weeks of the season. That order says, in part, we are aware of the great costs that mountain communities face if our downhill ski resorts close, even temporarily. These costs will be borne by local residents and businesses. But in the face of this pandemic emergency, we cannot hesitate to protect public health and safety. Good evening, I'm Kathy Walsh. Thank you for joining us. The CEO of Vail Resorts was one of the first to announce the closing of their resorts, not just in Colorado, but all of North America. Vail Resorts in our state includes Vail, Beaver Creek, Keystone, and Crested Butte. Those areas will be closed for at least the next week, as the executive order requires. Several other resorts report that they will be closed indefinitely. And Telluride Ski Resort says their slopes are now closed for the remainder of the season. CBS 4's Conor McCue is live outside Vail Resorts' corporate offices in Broomfield. And Conor, this is a very busy time of year for ski resorts.
And Kathy, it makes the decision to close 15 resorts in 15 different states, as well as the offices here in Broomfield, even more impactful. The CEO of Vail Resorts says this was a difficult decision in an incredibly challenging time.
It's the busiest time of year in the high country, but not for the next 8 days. Starting Sunday, all North American Vail resorts will close down due to COVID-19. That includes Beaver Creek, Keystone, Crested Butte, and of course, Vail.
It's pretty quiet. I mean, this is not normal for Vail Village.
Rod Linnefelter is part of the ownership group of the popular Red Lion Bar and Restaurant, which indefinitely closed just before Vail did. He says the decision was based on the safety of employees and guests. Currently, Eagle County has the second highest number of presumptive coronavirus cases in the state.
I think it's been validated by Vail Resorts making their decision, and as I said, I applaud them for making that decision. I think that's the right call right now, given the circumstances.
While Vail Resorts will pay all employees during the entire closure, Linnefelter says the Red Lion will cover the cost of any COVID-19 tests or treatment. Both decisions will likely hurt the bottom line.
From an ownership standpoint, we're not going to make any money this year.
Despite the bleak prediction, Linnefelter says he expects other mountain businesses to follow suit.
We'll get through this. It's obviously a difficult time for all of us in the mountain communities, because I'm sure this is not just Vail-centric. This is going on everywhere.
Now, again, the offices here in Broomfield will be closed, and many employees will be asked to work from home. Today, the CEO released a statement both apologizing to people and saying there will be information about cancellations and refunds online. Live tonight in Broomfield, Conor McCue covering Colorado First.